Hey, what's going on, all you awesome Twitch streamers? Wild here, and you guys get a little BTS at the moment. Sorry for the weird look, lighting, and all that fun stuff, but I'm currently painting this room and redesigning it. But I want to bring you a quick video on something that may be affecting your community, or perhaps there's actions that you're actually doing that can be affecting other communities out there. With the brand new ban evasion detection and the suspicious user controls, you might be generating or might be getting a lot of false positives. So how is this actually affecting the Twitch community? Because this is supposed to be a helpful tool. Yeah, it is, but I know from a lot of streamers and mods out there, you will ban people willy-nilly, and that's well within your right. However, where it's going to start causing an issue is I know streamers and mods will ban friends and regular viewers for something that's kind of just fun. However, this is going to have bad ramifications now because that's going to have a bank behind that account that shows that they've had bannable offenses, which means when they go to other communities, they could get flagged as false positives, which mean, that's not going to look good for them because they just might get banned right off the bat or put into a monitoring position. And we don't want that for your friends, family, viewers, and people that you generally care about. And you're probably thinking, well, that really doesn't matter because if they're in another community, maybe they will get banned and they can watch me. Well, that's kind of a dick move, to be honest. But let me put this on you for the flip side. If you have a lot of people that have been banned in your channel, those are going to be false positives for when you raid other channels, which is going to look really bad on you. When you raid someone and right within the chat, it's going to get flagged with a bunch of false positives for people that are potential or suspicious or that should be monitored. The first thought I would have if somebody did that to me is, hey, this is probably a troll channel or a toxic community. So all I want to bring to your attention is think about when and how and if you should ban some people. If you like to make it a reward like you used to have for some channels and communities out there, hey, that's still fine, but I would recommend just doing a timeout because that won't have a negative effect, and only really ban the people that truly deserve it, not friends, family, moderators, people that have been supporting your channel for a while, because now it does have bad ramifications. And if you're not familiar with the new ban evasion detection or the suspicious user controls, you can check out the video to the right, which I think is going to be over here. Hard when I'm not facing the correct direction. But I just want to bring this video to your attention. I'll see you guys all in a video really quick. I got to get back to painting and stylizing my room. Take care, and of course, peace.